let's discuss autonomic nervous system. Autonomic nervous system is that part of nervous system which deals with all the involuntary activities, right. Now it is divided into two parts. We have parasympathetic and sympathetic nervous system, right. So autonomic nervous system is the part of the nervous system which deals with involuntary activities, right. And it has two parts. We have sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Now the actions of these are antagonistic to each other, means they are opposite. For example, if we talk about sympathetic nervous system, it increases the heart rate, while the parasympathetic nervous system slows down the heart rate. So it is quite opposite. Now sympathetic nervous system prepares your body during emergency situations. It acts during emergency situations. Now parasympathetic nervous system is opposite. So it is rest and digest, while sympathetic is fight or flight, means this nervous system deals with emergency situations while this deals with resting situations. So that is why sympathetic nervous system increases heart rate, while in this it slows down heart rate. It raises blood pressure, it decreases blood pressure. It diverts blood flow to working muscles, it dilates blood vessels. It releases sugars or fats into bloodstream, it promotes energy storage. So that is why it is called rest and digest, right. Then it inhibits digestion, it stimulates digestion. It reduces appetite, it increases appetite. It dilates pupils, it constricts pupils. So as a whole, just remember that autonomic nervous system is that part of nervous system which deals with basically involuntary activities. It is divided into two parts. We have sympathetic nervous system and parasympathetic nervous system. Sympathetic nervous system is acting during emergency situations, while parasympathetic nervous system is acting during resting situations, right. So these effects are antagonistic. They are quite opposite to each other. So if you see this diagram, you can see that parasympathetic nervous system constrict pupil and sympathetic one dilate pupil, right. It is acting during emergency situations, so it is going to increase the heartbeat, while parasympathetic is going to slow down the heartbeat. So these are the effects of the sympathetic and parasympathetic nervous system which form the two parts of your autonomic nervous system.